How to see who liked you without gold on Tinder. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Tinder application and get logged into your Tinder account. And now here tap on the shining option from your bottom page. Let's go ahead and tap on See Who Likes You. If you tap onto it, it'll show you subscription plans. So in case you would like to see how many people have liked you without the subscription plan, you can just see the number of people that have liked you. Meaning that you can only see the number of people who have liked you, but not their username or their account. In case you would like to view the full username or the account that has liked you, you have to take a subscription plan of Tinder. If in case in the future Tinder updates us with that feature where you can see how many people have liked you and their account, we will surely upload a video on that. Till then, stay updated.